Hello everyone and welcome to our webinar, Increase Productivity with AI Prompt Templates. My name is Ari Bolmash and I'm the Director of Estate Planning and Administration at Leap US. I will be joined shortly by Gio Parolo, Director of Family Law at Leap US. We are both excited to share with you Leap's latest innovation and demonstrate its ability to increase your productivity. We will start off with an overview of Leap and then show you how to access and use Leap's library of prompts, which take on the complex task of instructing AI to create highly relevant and useful legal documents quickly. Leap is designed to handle all of your firm's matters with features including case management, billing and payment collection, trust accounting, time recording, document management and automation, and Leap comes with a suite of AI tools to make your firm even more efficient. Today, we will be talking about just one of those AI tools by using Leap's library of AI prompts to create comprehensive, matter-specific legal documents where you can chat with the document for real-time legal drafting, customization, and relevancy. Simply put, Leap's AI prompts are a guide for AI with specific instructions for creating the first draft and allowing you to continue customizing as you need. These prompts have been added to Leap's comprehensive library of automated forms and are included with your subscription. Leap's library of AI prompts includes tools that help you summarize complex estate planning documents, review discovery during intake, summarize complex financial documents, help you draft letters, and many, many more. By doing much of the fine-tuning for you, you will not have to start from scratch every time asking AI to perform more complex tasks through multiple rounds of chat. Leap's AI prompt library gives you a massive head start on creating predictable results that help you draft efficiently. Leap's library of AI prompts can be accessed from within any Leap matter. We're going to start off by opening the Samantha Jones and Howard Jones Living Trust matter. When we open that, at the top of this matter, there's a Forms and Templates button. We'll click that button and we open up the Forms and Templates library. It will default to the matter type which you are in, but we'll scroll down and go to the Practice Management folder, open up the Miscellaneous folder, and from there, open up the AI Prompt Library. Leap's AI Prompt Library includes multiple areas of law. Within each folder, there will be many prompts specific to that area of law and sometimes specific to a jurisdiction. We will continue to add to this library, offering new prompts for each area of law, and continuing to update and modify the current ones. For now, we're going to open up the Estate Planning library to take a look at the relevant estate planning AI prompts. In collaboration with Wealth Counsel, we have created many AI prompts for different types of documents that you may draft through Wealth Counsel's system. You can use these prompts even if they are your own custom drafts. You'll see multiple summaries for wills and trusts and very specific types of trusts that the Wealth Counsel team has helped us generate. Since this is a joint trust that we're working on, we're going to open up the joint RLT summary prompt with marital deduction planning. The document will open in Microsoft Word. On the left-hand side, you will see the actual AI prompt. These are the instructions telling AI, in this case, Matter AI for Word, which is on the right-hand side, what to pull from the documents and what to do with that information. You will see that it begins reading the prompt and then retrieving facts from the documents on the matter, given the instructions that we have told it, which are fairly comprehensive and even include some facts from the matter itself in order to reduce any hallucinations. You can see that on the right-hand side, it's beginning to follow these instructions, which include extracting information about the trust, summarizing the trust in specific details, and then writing a letter to the client explaining the trust, the funding process, and giving them individual article summaries throughout the trust. All of this was instructed to the system with these instructions on the left-hand side. It is recommended that you review what has been produced. And then if you are satisfied, you can click Copy and copy the text of this into another document, such as a letter. You will also note that there's a Reload button at the top. Once again, Matter AI will begin retrieving facts. And after it's retrieved the facts, it will redraft what was asked for in the prompt itself within the Word document. In this instance, we will ask Matter AI to extract the names of the children. Matter AI will once again begin retrieving facts, and you will see that it's extracting the children's names and birth dates. From here, let's take the exports from Matter AI and put them into a document so that we can send this as a letter to our client. Let's return to the matter list and pick a new matter. In this case, we're going to open up this probate litigation matter. If you can imagine, this is a matter where a prospective client has reached out, sent you a lengthy email with a lot of details about the case, and multiple documents they've attached, including a death certificate and wills. We're going to open up the Forms and Templates library from this matter. Once again, we will scroll down to the Practice Management folder, Miscellaneous folder, AI Prompt Library. As an example, I'm going to open the AI prompt for probate client intake summary. This prompt was built by an attorney who wanted to summarize initial client communications, such as an email outlining facts of the case, along with the estate details provided by a potential client. The email could include attachments such as a will and asset information that would also need to be summarized. The prompt will instruct AI on what to review and look for, and then create a follow-up letter to request any information that the firm may need to determine the next steps. Now that this document is open, we can see that on the left-hand side, once again, we have a fairly detailed instruction list, which we're calling our prompt, and even we have started to incorporate some LEAP fields into this document. What this allows us to do is to avoid hallucinations so that we give it specific fields that are on the LEAP matter, such as the client's name and email address, and the rest of the information it can pull from the documents. On the right-hand side, you'll see that Matter AI has extracted information from the documents and is now putting together a list of details that are coming out of the documents, including names of parties on the matter, the estate assets, all putting those into table formats and having follow-up questions along the way that you can ask the client. At the end of this document, it's going to draft a letter with those follow-up questions, which you can then send to your client for further requests. Once again, because this is a Word document with instructions in it, we can go modify any of these instructions, even reorder the questions that we ask, repurpose information, and then simply just reload to ask the Matter AI system to reread the Word document and the instructions we provided to generate a new response. We can once again also chat with the document or copy the information that's been provided into any other document of our choice. Returning to the Matter and the Estate Administration AI Prompt Library, you will find that there are many prompts for this area of law, including reviewing changes to estate planning documents over time, reviewing action lists and documents that have been completed on the matter, and prompts for creating demand letters based on correspondence on your matter, just to name a few. For this next example, we will use a personal injury matter and run a prompt that is designed to create a pre-suit demand letter. This prompt was drafted by an attorney who wanted to look for specific facts regarding the incident across a variety of documents that would be used to draft the demand letter. The prompt instructs AI to review the correspondence on the matter with instructions on what to retrieve and summarize, and then follow the firm's preference in drafting the summary leading up to the demand. With the facts retrieved, it begins generating the letter as it was instructed, and you will see even at the bottom, it will reference the documents that were used to fill out the facts and the letter itself. Creating AI prompts is as simple as typing instructions into a Word document. Feel free to get started today using our existing prompt library and modifying them to make them your own. There is no additional cost to use these, and you can expect to see continuous improvements and additions to the library. We even invite you to review prompts from other areas of law, which can give you ideas for creating prompts that are relevant to your practice and make creating that first draft even more efficient. Now I'm going to hand this over to Gia, who's going to review some of our family law prompts.
Hello. My name is Gia. I am the Director of Family Law. I lead a team dedicated to improving the family law experience in LEAP. As Ari previously mentioned, one of the latest developments we are working on is building the Family Law AI Prompts Library. We are excited to have these prompt templates developed by our family law experts, allowing you to create matter-specific drafts in a fraction of the time. These include summaries of assets and liabilities, childcare expenses, closeout memos, and more. Let's dive into some demonstrations of our AI prompts. So as I navigate to our AI prompts library and our forms and templates, the first AI prompt I'm going to demo is a summary of childcare expenses. This prompt will save you time not having to search through tons of correspondence and financial documents that are saved on your matter, and will pull everything into one succinct draft for your review. You will see as you open the prompt, the Matter AI add-in will automatically load on the side of the document. The add-in will start listing out all of the information it is gathering from your matter and will start drafting out the summary. The AI prompt has now gathered all of the childcare expenses and summarized them into one tailored draft. After the summary has been drafted and you have reviewed the contents, you can choose to chat with the add-in even further to draft additional documents such as letters. In addition to follow-up letters, we have also created letters to finalize your matter. The next AI prompt is a letter to your client with all of the wrap-up instructions to finalize their divorce matter, or a closeout memo. Again, similarly to the last prompt, this will save you time not having to search through all the correspondence, orders, settlement agreements, etc., and will compile everything for you in a first draft for your review. You will see the add-in has now drafted a final letter to your client summarizing all of the decisions that were made throughout this case.
That will conclude today's webinar. We hope that you found value in today's session. If you are interested in learning more about Leap's AI prompt template library, please visit leap.us/AI-prompts to learn more. If you're a current Leap user, visit Leap Help Center. We thank everyone for joining us today and look forward to seeing you next time.